Today, our discussion is on what you need to do immediately your YouTube channel gets monetized. Even if your channel is not monetized yet, this information here is important. So get it and apply it. You may be losing money if you don't do all these things. So let's get into number one. Number one is ads placement. Once your YouTube channel gets monetized or in the process of getting monetized, when you are setting up everything, you turn on the link your AdSense and the rest, there is a point you get to, YouTube will ask you to choose the videos you are going to monetize. You choose everything on the assumption that all the videos on your channel are have meet up the requirement for it to be monetized. Then you select the option to turn on monetization on all your videos automatically. I get in it. Once you get select that option, YouTube will monetize, will place ads on your YouTube videos. But you need to take extra steps because this is done automatically. Most times, the ads are not placed rightly. Yes, let me break it down. If you have a video of up to 8 minutes and above, YouTube allows you to place more ads inside that video. I get in it. So when you select that automatic placing of ads, it places the ads in those videos. But sometimes the ads are just one, two, or three in those videos that are longer than 8 minutes, that are 8 minutes and above. So for you, the first step you need to take is to check all those your videos that are 8 minutes and above, and then place up to three ads or more on them. If you don't do this, you may be losing money because automatic ads placement may place only one video ads in those 8 minute long videos because everything was done automatically or is done automatically. So place at the beginning, place at the center, and place at the end. If it's a video that's up to 20 minutes, you place at the beginning and you can place extra two or three ads, ad breaks in the middle before the end. You see the 3 points? So please check this. All right, check this. When I nearly got monetized, I made that mistake. Sometimes until I tell a friend to play my video, let me see how it works. It was only one ad that plays in 20 minutes video. Then I checked from my end and I found out that automatic ad placements placed only one ad break in the video. I have to introduce more because the video is longer than 8 minutes. So let's get to my studio. Let me tell you how you can place ads manually once you get monetized, okay? To increase the chances of making more money on the platform. I am on my dashboard, so I'll click the content section. Then let me search for a particular video I want to use for this example. All right, let me check this video. This video is up to 8 minutes. So let me use it to experiment. I'll click here for the description to open. Then once it opens, check this area and locate monetization. I'll click on it. On this monetization page, you can see monetization is turned on here. It was turned on automatically because I published this video on June, so I've not made changes in the ads placement. Okay, the monetization is on. Then I'll click on view placement. Okay, you can see here now this video is 8 minutes video and I have only two ads here placed automatically. So I need to add up to three as the video is up to 8 minutes. So take your playhead to the place you want to have it. Okay, just like here. Then I'll click on add break. That means before somebody plays this video now, ads we play first. Then I will drag this one maybe to the fourth minute. Sometimes you may need to play the video to determine the right place to place the ad. Okay, but here I'm okay with here. Then this one you can drag it to the end. I getting it. So it's now up to three ads because it's up to 8 minutes. All right. So check these things. And after that, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, click on save. So with this change now, YouTube will show three ads on this video instead of the two that was placed automatically. The number two you have to do is checking your description. Every YouTuber started small and grew, all right? Just like me, when I started, there are some things I didn't know. But as I was creating, I kept on learning more and more things. At the start, I wasn't having any detailed description in my videos. Okay, but later I watched some videos on vidIQ and some other channels telling you that telling me that what I have in the description can be picked by YouTube and then show the video to more people. Even Google search engine use that. There's something somebody may be searching for. It's not in your title, but in the chapter sections, it is there. Then it picks it and then display your video and the person clicks. So check your video description and make sure that you have some keywords related to the title that people are likely to search for. Let me show you a video that is what described. So let's get to my studio for me to show you that, okay? Okay, let me click on content so that we can get to one of the videos for you to see how this thing work, all right? Okay, so here let me check this. You can see how I describe this video. So I'll click on this pen like icon. Okay, and I says this is the title of this video, and I says in this discussion, okay, in this okay, I made a mistake here. In this video, all right, the discussion is on the shocking truth why your Amazon KDP books get negative reviews. This keyword, Amazon KDP, is being searched online many times every day. So is part of the description. So ensure that you add something in your description. Check some of your videos. If there is no explanation in the description, add them, please. Okay, it's very, very important. Then here you can see recommended videos relating to this kind of video. I have the links here, and here I still explain more things about this. Example is this Amazon KDP tutorial. People search for these keywords very well. Okay, so when people search for Amazon KDP tutorial on YouTube or even on Google, because the description has this keyword, they may be recommended, this video may be recommended to them. Okay, then another thing that I supposed to add here is timelines, chapters. Okay, pointing out some key areas, but I will do that. I will do that update later. So ensure that your video has chapters. All right, it will help you to still rank in other external sites like Google and Bing. All right, okay, but let me just show you a video that has these chapters for you to understand. Okay, so I'll save this. Okay, let's check this one. Ultimate info for beginners for publishers. So let's see how a chapter looks like in this video. You can see this side in the description, I have chapters here. And number one, 0.00 introduction to the best time to publish on Amazon KDP. Somebody may be searching for best time to publish on Amazon KDP. And because I have it as one of the chapters, it is shown to the person. Okay, this 1 minute 8 seconds is fourth quarter Q4 of the year high book sales on Amazon KDP. Okay, then this one is why books sell more in fourth quarter of the year. So you see how I describe all these things into in chapters. If somebody asks the question using Google on how why books sell more in fourth quarter of the year, because this appears as a chapter in this video, it may be shown to the person. He clicks on my video to come over and watch. So describe your videos, check your videos, and ensure they have good descriptions. Okay, that will help you get more views and make more money in return. The number three that you are likely to do once your YouTube channel gets monetized is checking up on your thumbnails. Yes, once a channel gets monetized, you are now into real business. By monetization, I mean getting monetized with YouTube ads. It means that now you are into real business of making money on the platform. So check through all your old videos and start changing the thumbnails. If there are some thumbnails that you designed a year ago, 2 years ago, that are not catchy, that are not stunning, that are not attracting, you need to change them. Because now your interest should be, I want to get more clicks. I want my video to get more clicks to be watched for me to increase the money I'm likely to receive from YouTube at the end of the month. So you're no longer doing the YouTube thing for fun. Now you are into the real business of making money on the platform. So check your thumbnails, your old thumbnails, and then change them to something that is better. Okay, you may not do that in just one day or in 2 days or in 3 days. It can even take you up to 1 month or 2 months. Once in a while, you go and change one or two in a day. In another day, you may change just one. From there, you keep on changing them one after the other to have better thumbnails. Right now on my channel, I still have some bad thumbnails, but I change once in a while. And with time, I will change everything. Okay. Another one is that you need to go through your videos to check if it is set, if some of the videos are set at made for kids. If they're set at made for kids, please set them that they are not made for kids. The videos set for made for kids don't show ads. And sometimes if they show limited ads. Okay, so go down and check your videos one after the other. Those that you are not sure that you said them that they are not made for kids. If there is anyone you said that it is made for kids, please change it to it is not meant for kids. For YouTube to be able to place ads on your video, more ads on your video, and you make more money. So by the time you implement this, you may get more money than you used to do. When I got monetized the first month, I got about $71. The second one, I got more than $80 because I started implementing some things that has to do with ad placement and the rest, changing of thumbnails. So apply these things to increase your money. If you don't make those changes, you may end up losing money. So if you have not been monetized, hold on. Just have this message at the back of your mind. You can write it down somewhere that when I get monetized by YouTube ads, for YouTube ads, I will make these changes to increase my earnings as well. I believe you find this kind of helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology, okay, which cuts across so many areas, including YouTube education. So if you like a content like this, do subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people, to more creators. If you don't do that, there is no how the system knows that it's a helpful content. So please hit that like button for me before you go, okay? Leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful? Or if you have a question, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. Watch this video here to learn how to grow your views on YouTube the more. Thank you and see you some other time.